nieces and nephews. Welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen. I probably look crooked. I don't know. Well, we'll see. Okay, and to my new nieces and nephews, welcome to my kitchen. And if you guys do Auntie a big favor and hit that like button, please. Really appreciate it. It puts me in that big A word that YouTube uses that I have a hard time pronouncing. Okay, so today we're going to be making creamy garlic mushroom chicken. I'm using thighs. I like to work with chicken breast when it comes to certain dishes, and I like to work with thighs when it comes to certain dishes. But I end up taking out thighs. I thought I labeled everything, but I don't know how I did not label this bag. And when it completely thawed out, I saw I had thighs, and I really wanted the breast. But anyway, what's under the bridge is under the bridge. Cry river and walk over it, right? Okay. So let's get started. I'm going to show you everything you need so you can make this for you and your family. You know, Auntie say, keep it to yourself. Okay, let's get started. First, I need some gloves. See, I got my chair sitting behind me. So in case when I need to sit down, Auntie can sit down. We're going to spray our chicken thighs. I think this 6 or 8. I don't know. But either way, I'm going to spray my chicken thighs with some oil, olive oil, so my seasonings will stick to them. And what I have in here, my nieces and nephews, I have a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And that's it. And I'm going to mix all of this goodness together, because I had set up everything already. I just don't want to miss. I guess I need to get a handy dandy mixer, huh? See, I set up everything. That say chick. That means chicken. That means chicken. Okay. Now, I got all my goodness not mixed up, but mixed together. I'm going to sprinkle this in here. Just smell all those herbs and spices. And I want to make sure all the Henny Penny and her social club get some attention. There's no need to marinate this, nieces and nephews. This is a rub and go dish. Okay? Okay, now I'm going to set this to the side. Go get my beautiful pan that I love so much. I got my pan. I'm going to turn some fire on. Now there's a fire. Turn some fire on. Get me another glove because I had to do housekeeping. And I'm going to, I don't need to put the glove on now because I am getting ready to put some oil in this pan. Put some oil in the pan. Oh, and refill. I'm telling you guys, if I can give you one tip, I buy oil and I get them at the wholesale club, and they come in these 2 big containers. I just keep this filled. That's it. That's all I do. Instead of trying to put a little more of that, because thighs, they are different than breast meat. And so I will see you bit as soon as my pan gets hot. I just love this pan. Thank you guys so much. You bought this pan for me by supporting my channel, and you supporting my channel helps me keep content going. Okay, I really appreciate that. My pan is hot. I'm going to put my chicken down. Remember, I always tell, with the thighs, put the ugly side down first. And we're going to let this cook. And y'all tell your Henny Penny and the social club is going to be delicious. That's right, Henny Penny. The score is falling. Yesterday Dusty was stubborn. Today today is his day where he won't eat. My baby. God, this is my little baby. Okay, and I'm going to leave this alone and just let this cook. Do a little housekeeping. And I'll be back. So I'm going to flip these now. and I'm going to recover them. I felt like being extra, so I found this pasta in my little off-the-wall markets, and it's an Italian color pasta. I just thought it was beautiful, and I thought it'd make my dish really pretty. And I was going to go with penne, or whatever you want to call it. Then I saw that. I said, "Oh!" I went in my little pasta drawer off the wall, pasta drawer, and I hot, and found that, and I said, "Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful." Let's check our chicken. Okay, let's do a temperature check. I want 165. Always set your thermometer. Good. Good. I might well flip you. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. I'm letting it reset itself. Okay, all of my chicken is done. I'm going to remove it from the pan after I turn the heat off. I'm going to remove the chicken because we're going to make our sauce. And this is going to be just wonderful, wonderful. My dad used to say that. Wonderful, wonderful. Oh, no. You know, his birthday is the day before Skip's birthday. I met my husband on my dad's birthday. And I thought Skip was lying when he said, "Today is my birthday." I said, "Let me see your driver's license." And he did it. He actually gave me a driver's license. Take these little morsels out of here, I think. Okay, I'm going to come back and I'm going to use the same pan to whip up that delicious garlic cheese sauce. Okay, now I'm going to make my sauce. So you would not believe this. I have no heavy cream, but it's no worries. Can't stress it. I'm going to use I needed a cup and a half of heavy cream. And this can of evaporated milk is a cup and a half. And it's rich. I'm not using regular milk because my regular milk is 1% lactose and it's not going to have enough fat to make this a rich dish like I want it. So, as soon as I find my wire spatula. Okay, I'm going to melt this butter down here. Wouldn't need a stove. My pasta is cooked al dente. And I'm going to melt this butter down. Don't worry, that's not from when I removed the chicken. I just took the oil out. Okay, you're going to need a teaspoon of black pepper. Yum, yum, yum. A teaspoon of rosemary, dried herbs, and a teaspoon of thyme. Okay, I'm going to get my milk in first and get it all nice and heated and bubbly. Not bubbly, but bubbly. What's that word they like to use all the time now? I don't even know what the word means, but I hear it. I guess I'm sick and tired of hearing it. The more. It's going to be diabolical and the more. Okay, I'm going to let I don't want my milk to stick. So that's why I'm playing around with it. And you know what? I'm going to add my wonderful, wonderful, wonderful herbs. Get out there. Can't hide goodness. You get out too. And I'm just gonna yummy, yum, yum, yum. Okay, my milk is heating. This is freshly grated, 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, fresh off the block. It's they like to say fresh off the block. And I'm going to just keep whisking, and I'm going to form my cheese sauce. And I'll be right back, nieces and nephews. It smells delicious. And if you're looking for this sauce to be like thick, this is not meant to be thick like that. It's not meant to be like a thick cream sauce. It's not meant to be thick. So I'm going to turn this down to very low heat. And I'm going to start placing my chicken back in without losing my whisk. And this little piggy went to market. Okay. Now, I'm going to use a spoon and get some of this delicious goodness, I think, on this chicken. Doesn't that look good? Delicious. And I'm going to serve this with the side order, that wonderful pasta. That's so pretty. Getting off the side, getting all this goodness off the side. Yeah, you want to do that. Yum, yum, yum. And you can put a little Parmesan on top. It's extra. And this is our garlic Parmesan chicken. And now I'm going to get some pasta and plate this up for my nieces and nephews. Oops, I almost forgot my washed mushrooms. They was over there. Forgot about my mushrooms. Forgot all about my mushrooms. So I'm going to let that simmer. Cook down some. Guys, last time Katie said, you need more garlic. Last time, Katie, you need more garlic. She likes garlic. And this is garlic Parmesan chicken. Made a mistake and put my garlic over here because I have everything set up over there. So I'm going to just leave this alone. I'm going to leave Henny Penny and her friends left to their private board meeting while Auntie does a little housekeeping. See how the the chicken, I'm telling you guys will love this dish. You can add more garlic if you want to. It's totally at your discretion. It'll be your dish, so make it yours. It's your oyster, so claim that pearl. Okay? Be right back. I've turned the heat off. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this wonderful pasta that I've already, put in the strain. Family, let's plate this up. Let's get a nice little thigh here. They're small, so you give your family and friends two. And you're going to take some of this wonderful sauce, drizzle it over your pasta. And you can top it with a little shredded Parmesan cheese. Give that pasta sauce. And here we are. This is our brain fog and rumbles, stumbles, crumbles. Oops. Okay, let me get myself together. Hold on, guys. I got to get myself together. Okay, I had to take a moment to get my brain together. This is the garlic mushroom chicken. So, it wouldn't be right if I didn't put a mushroom up there, would it? Yummy, yum, yum, yum. Jiminy cricket. Okay. Oh, can't have that. Oh, no, you get back out of there. Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in while I do this dish. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for hanging out in the kitchen with me. I really appreciate it. Hope you make this for you and your family. It's a rich dish, and it's really good. I'm taking from Auntie. Caitlin's a picky eater, and she loves it. Okay, so in a jiff and a swift, I'm gonna say go be you. But one thing Auntie says about being you, do what? Be great being you. Until the next upload, tight hugs and kisses and lots of love to you. Woo, woo, woo. Mwah. Love you guys. See you later.